Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to talk about memory allocation, how JavaScript allocates memory for different types of variables, objects, arrays. So we'll explore this and understand how it allocates memory. So let me open console. All right, so I'm going to full screen this console. Okay, so whenever you create some variable where, so we can create our variables where, let, as well as const. So how these are different, you can discuss about this in later section or in separate video, but for now just understand when we create some variable, it allocates some memory to it. Let's say a equal to 10. So while creating a new variable, JavaScript engine will allocate a memory for this variable and it assigns a value to it. Okay, and then for example, if you create an object, this will allocate separate memory for this object. And similarly, if you create some array, so it will allocate different memory location for this variable. So these memory locations are created inside its scope. So currently this is in global scope. So all the memory would have been allocated in the global scope. So regarding the scopes, we can discuss it in separate video. But right now, let me just focus on the memory locations only. So as you can see, we have three different types of variables. So JavaScript would have allocated three different memory locations. In case of object, for example, when we create an object and assign some properties like x, y, so whenever we provide some properties, JavaScript will create a different. So this object has one memory location, and each property will have a memory location inside the object. So basically, this x and y will have different memory locations. So uh, right now, since this is a variable, I mean this is a value, so we can also have an object as well here. So whenever you compare something with the one object with other, so if these two variables are same, means if the object is same and it has the same memory locations, then both will be similar. I mean not similar but equal. But in case this key is changed, if we have cloned it in proper way, then the memory location will be different. So in next video we can talk about how we can clone things properly. Like right now, if we want to clone an object into different object, so there are some ways to do that, and there are some good ways, some are bad ways. So we will understand how we can do shallow copy and how we can do deep copy. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.